Hey, and welcome back. Zoom calls and lack of due process. During one of the earlier videos, we went over how Zoom calls are unconstitutional and the laws and the court rules that govern those and the way out. Now, what if the tort already took place and they've already muted you or anyone else that you are involved with, whether through a trust relationship or maybe they're loved ones, maybe it's your husband, your wife, your friend, or whoever it is. What if that tort already took place? You got to play your cards right. You compel performance by demonstrating liability, right? It's called witness affidavit. Like putting affidavits in, right? Now is the time to put that to use. You did not know how to get an in-person hearing, but you're planning on doing that later. But some type of tort on an unconstitutional act already took place. Here's a solution. Have someone write a witness affidavit regarding what took place, which was unconstitutional. An example is this. You label your evidence the way you want to. It's up to you. You put the name of whoever it is that witnessed it. You put the status. You don't have to be long-winded. You don't have to say I'm a witness according to this article so-and-so. It's a real party. No. Just put your Illinois in. If you're in Illinois, whatever state you're in, put the name of the nationality based on the state of the man or woman there. And then let them know that you're competent enough to invoke it and that it's been done in good faith. Make reference to the case, the time, date, and the method of what you witnessed. I am so-and-so Patterson, Illinoisan. I'm of sound mind and of age of majority. I make the following statement in good faith regarding the Zoom teleconference call in the above style case that took place on, put the date and the time. What did you witness? I witnessed the supposed defendant in the above style case muted. You don't have to use this terminology. Use whatever most suits you. The dynamics of what's being done here requires the defendant to be referred to this way. I witnessed the supposed defendant in the above style case muted by acting judge. You put the tortfeasor's name on 3 separate instances. Be truthful now. Don't make things up. While the supposed defendant in the above style case was speaking about the Illinois Constitution, you want to make this very clear that the only reason why he or she was muted was because of their invocation of the Constitution. This is a clear demonstration that due process has been abrogated. If the reason that man or woman was prevented from being able to access the public record, from being able to be heard, is because of their exercise of a constitutional secured right, that strips this acting judge their judicial immunity. And it's not just the man or woman that was muted saying this. This is a neutral third party speaking about this, that observed it and saw it, and is now putting in admissible evidence by way of affidavit. I also witnessed the supposed witness. That should be defendant. I also witnessed the supposed defendant in the above style case request the restraint on her hands be removed so that she can begin to take notes, but the acting judge so-and-so and the so-and-so employee refused to remove her handcuff and provided no reason. So now they don't want the records to be preserved. That's lack of due process. That's cruel and unusual punishment. A lot of things go on during that hearing, and sometimes needs to be written down, so that the intent of what that man or woman has said or heard can be reasonably preserved. That is also due process. I witnessed that another caller, you put their name if this exists or applies, was kicked out of the conference call by name the acting judge. When these 2 instances were brought up, I witnessed no interruption of court proceeding by anyone. This last part is the most crucial thing that upholds all this, because they can say, well, we kicked them out because they were interrupting the court proceedings. Even if that did not occur, they will make that up. So you bid them ahead of time. Now, there's another more effective way than this to really hold them liable and to actually make sure that they go, screw this, we're not doing the Zoom call, which has worked, which kind of serves the same purpose in lieu of you getting a court reporter or stenographer. That I'll be going over on my Patreon. And of course, you got to do the good old attestation and then, get it notarized. Take care and good luck. Hey, and also don't forget to join my Patreon if you haven't. There I go through documents that I have used personally successfully and videos that I do not post here on YouTube that are in many ways private in nature. And also I go through live audio interactions and video interaction of my own experience with certain things. And I also have a website where you can go through the list of documents or services if you need them. And these videos that are posted on YouTube are also uploaded on Anchor. You can listen to it via audio means. And there's an Instagram page and a Facebook page. The link is on the screen and in the description. Take care and best of luck.